Hello everybody. Today here I make a video vacuum cleaner I got a few weeks ago. This is a Miele S5 canister vacuum. This one is the Callisto with the small power brush. Now this one, the earlier S5 models, is the later one with have differences on the inside I'll show. And this one has the rotary knob for suction control and adjusting the speeds. Now Miele does another model where there's a plus and minus button with electronic controls and lights on here, and another model that's the top of the line with controls on the handle where the suction can be adjusted here with the lights on and the indicators for different levels of suction, along with another on-off switch for the hose to turn the motor on and off, and a button to control the power brush as well. So this is the basic rotary knob model here, and this one has the power head here. This is the entry level power head from Miele for shorter carpets, rugs, but for thicker carpets there's also two choices of larger power heads. One without a headlight, another one with a headlight with carpet adjustment, and it stands on its own instead of being parked on the side of the machine or right here like this. Now there's a light here to indicate that the brush is on. I did clean this out, and these are what the bristles look like. And see, SEB 217-3. It was made in Germany, as the rest of the vacuum. Now the hose says made in Germany as well. Right there, there's a warning that they're electrical wires because that's for the power brush, and it has the dark gray colored one instead of the chrome colored stainless steel tube. Now I'll go close here. It's a 1200 watt motor, like I said, that Miele's in the US have. Now it is beaten up. I haven't been able to get all of these marks off, even though I tried cleaning up. Now here's the label here. Use about 10.7 amps. That's with the power brush. No, that's without. The power brush is close to 12 amps. 3 caster wheels back here. Makes it maneuverable so I can move in all directions, push it to the side without tipping over. There's bag indicator there. Integrated tools here since it's a full-size Miele. Crevice tool, upholstery and stair tool, and a soft dusting brush that's adjustable. So 3 tools go under there. The hose here is a direct connect here instead of having a wire that goes down here like the smaller Miele's with the power head. Opening here is the bag compartment. As see, this takes a genuine bag. Always use genuine Miele bags in the Miele vacuum, or else it's not good for the machine to use a generic bag. And this is a color code. This is before color coded, where this would match the bag dock and the filter to indicate which type of bags and filters to buy. Now I did cut this out to replace the filters are not original. I replaced these. I did clean it out. There's the filter here. With the grill came with the vacuum as well. I got besides the manual. I put the bag in here, and it's pretty clean here, and I did clean up, so the owner used genuine bags with this as required. And there's a head gasket here, so it has a sealed system. Right here's the electrical connection for the power head that goes from here. Now, without any more talking, I'll do a cleaning demonstration with this vacuum. Now, I did get a good deal on this vacuum, especially with everything working, and Miele's aren't cheap. They're, especially the power head models, they're expensive here in the US because they're imported from Germany, and there's shipping, handling, and import taxes as well. And plus, you can only find these in vacuum cleaner stores, like the locally owned appliance and stuff, department stores, so that's the difference. And in the US, uprights are more common canisters as well. So without any more talking, I'll do a cleaning video on the carpets now.